beauties, what's up? KARARAE here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click on the bell so you get notified when I upload my videos. I try to upload at least once a week. So yeah, also if you're watching this video and you haven't already entered my Fenty Beauty giveaway, make sure you check below. I will link all of the details that you need down below for you to enter that giveaway. It's going on for another week, I believe, once this video goes up. So yeah, make sure you guys enter that giveaway. So I received the new Huda Beauty Nude palette for Christmas. It was a Christmas gift from my sister. Shout out to you, Cree, because this palette is bomb. So I want to create a very romantic, pretty princess unicorn, I don't even know what to call it, but I just want to create a really pretty look for you guys using this palette. I used 3 colors out of this palette to create this eye look, so if you guys are interested to see how I achieved this look, then make sure you keep on watching. I will link everything down below in the order I used it, so if you guys are interested in checking out any of the products that I used throughout this video, make sure you guys look in the description box because all the info that you need will be listed down there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more makeup tutorials from me. And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so per usual, I have my eyebrows already done. I'm just going to go in with my crease color. I am using Tease for the crease. This is from the Huda Beauty new Nude palette. It's just a really pretty purple color. For that outer corner, I'm using the color Raw, also from the palette, and I'm just blending that into my crease color. Now I'm just going in and I'm cutting my crease with just some concealer. Whatever concealer you like to use is fine, and I'm feathering it out to the corner just to create a nice base for my lid shade. For my lid, I'm using the color Lace from the palette, and you can see how pigmented these shades are. Like, I was really blown away by the quality of the palette. This is my first Huda Beauty palette, by the way. And for that inner corner, I'm using the color Daydream just to brighten the eye, and I'm also kind of bringing it out onto that cut just to create a light, more romantic look for my eye. Next, I'm going in with my foundation. This is the All Nighter foundation mixed with the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. Love these foundations so much. And for concealer, I'm using my new Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer. This concealer is so bomb, y'all. Make sure you guys go check out my video and my giveaway. I will give you all the details on this concealer, but I am in love with this concealer. I really think this is my new favorite. It just blends out so nice, and it just gives a great airbrush look. I'm using a Sephora concealer brush to blend out this concealer, and I just love the way it comes out every time. To set my face, I'm using my Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup Setting Powder. This is just going to go under my eyes and all the areas that I highlighted to keep the concealer in place. To contour, I used 2 different things. I used L'Oreal Infallible in the color Classic Tan, the powder, and I also used my MAC Studio Fix powder just to deepen my contour. I'm just using a Sephora blending brush to blend in everything. Now guys, this eyeliner is literally the best liquid eyeliner I've ever used. It is the Sephora collection, just black liquid eyeliner. It stays in place. It's super pigmented. I just love this liquid eyeliner. If you haven't already tried this, go to Sephora and pick up this eyeliner. I'm not steering you wrong. Now, Balm lashes, $2. My favorite lashes are KARARAE lashes. This is in the style WSP. I will leave a link to these bad boys below because you really need these in your lash collection. They are just, I love these things. For highlight, I am using a combination of my NYX duochrome highlighter in the color Crushed Bloom, just a really pretty pink color, and I'm also using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Hustler Baby just to intensify it a little bit, just to bring out this highlight. We want to be popping, y'all, and we got to bring out the highlight, and I'm just going over all of the high points on my face with it. For blush, I love my Milani Baked Bronzer. I believe this is in the color medium. And to hide that lash band, which is going in with a little mascara. For lips, this is my go-to nude lip combo. It is the Cork Pencil by MAC and the Cherish Lipstick, also by MAC. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I loved filming this for you guys. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.